Cooking chicken can be simple and delicious with these 5 easy steps. Start by selecting fresh chicken pieces, such as breasts, thighs, or a whole chicken. Rinse the chicken under cold water and pat it dry with paper towels. If desired, you can marinate the chicken in a mixture of olive oil, garlic, herbs, and lemon juice for added flavor. Season the chicken generously with salt, pepper, and any additional herbs or spices you prefer, such as paprika, thyme, or rosemary. In a large skillet, heat a couple of tablespoons of olive oil over medium-high heat. Ensure the pan is hot before adding the chicken, which helps achieve a nice sear. Place the chicken in the skillet, cooking each side for about 6 to 7 minutes until golden brown. For thicker cuts, reduce the heat and cover the pan, cooking until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit 75 degrees Celsius. Remove the chicken from the pan and let it rest for a few minutes before slicing. This helps retain the juices. Serve with your favorite sides and enjoy.